Hello to all BMW drivers. This is Al at Al's Motorrad, and today I am fixing the issue on BMW X3 2011 where the LED strips don't work anymore. See, on this side both taillights are off. On that side only the one that's in the fender works. I am going to fix it, and I'm going to show how to properly do the job. Apparently this is a common issue with BMW X3 models as of 2011. So first off, what you need to do, you need to remove the tail lights. I'm going to show you how to remove them, and I'm going to show you what to do to fix the LED strips. First of all, I'm going to start with the one that's in the fender here, and then I'm going to go to these two that's in the trunk. First thing that you have to do is to slide up the plastic cover that's covering the screws that are holding the taillight in place. Right here. Just simply slide it up and remove it. And you're going to see two screws here and here. For this purpose, you're going to need a 10mm socket. Now the taillight can be removed. Very easy. Simple as that. Very easy. The taillight is removed. Next step, you're going to have to remove this thing here. It's held by this tab here. Just like this. Inside of this taillight, there's a small board right here. It's the LED board that is most likely giving the issues here. Have to use a tool, something like this, made of plastic. Don't use a metal screwdriver, you may damage the board. And just gently pry that board out of the headlight, and now you can remove it just like so. Now it's a good time to bench test the LED light. For that purpose, you have to attach 12 volts to these two connectors here. Here's one connector. This is the positive one with the red lead, and this is the negative one with the black lead. As you see, when I moved the connector, the light came on, and when I kind of push on some of the components here on the board, it actually starts working. So most likely it's this issue here, this little component here. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix it, resolder it. So this is my soldering equipment, if I can call it. Very basic. I'm just gonna wait until it heats up a little bit, and I'm gonna resolder that one component here. The component that's giving a problem is this little capacitor here, right here. So I'm gonna resolder it here. The problem with this
is that it creates just micro cracks and the whole board stops working. So when resoldering, make sure you don't really create any bridges between other component, between this component and other components. Just a little bit of soldering metal should do the job.
Okay, I hope I'm done. Let's see if it works now. Here we go. It's fixed.
Doesn't look like there's a problem. There's no problem.
Reassemble the taillight the same way as you disassembled it, and let me just verify that it works. Here we go. This one is fixed. That was easy. Now I'm going to remove the one that's in the trunk, and I'm going to fix this one. Torx 15. Disconnect the bulbs, the harness. So simple. Let's pull it. So there is a nut that you have to remove here. It's 8 mil. It's right here. So let's go ahead and remove it. 8 mil socket like this. It comes out with the plastic bracket. So to remove the whole plastic trim here, you just have to grab it and pull it down really, really well. So once you pull it, it's held by these plastic clips. Make sure that all the plastic clips are in place. If it happens that the plastic clip stays here, just use the pry bar and remove it. You can also kind of squeeze it from inside, and simply it comes out like this. Your next step is going to be a taillight removal. Once you remove that 8mm screw, that 8mm nut from inside, it will be easy. So just go like this, one arm here, just kind of tap it a little bit. Don't forget, it has some plastic clips on this side. Don't break them. And here we go. The plastic clips that I was talking about are these here on this side. Here. The LED board is located right here. Right here. You have to remove it. Same procedure. It's actually held in place here, so you have to kind of break this melted plastic here, and you're gonna have to use some silicone when installing it back. LED board is out. Let's do some testing now. Red wire is plus, black wire is ground. Let's connect some power here and see. Two pieces of wire, just insert here, make sure that there is a contact into this connector here. Make sure that they're touching the connector. You can bend them a little bit, so just to make sure that nothing's touching here. Take your 12 volt power. It could be a simple car charger, or it could be, you can actually use battery power too. Just connect to the one end, connect to the battery with jump cables, connect to the battery, to your car's battery, and the other end connect to these connectors here. Here we go. Now it works. Looks like it's the same component that has issues. Even goes brighter or dimmer. This one component, so let's fix it. Same way as we fixed the one before. So most likely when you look at the LED board, it will be this capacitor here that is giving problems. It's actually the soldering on both sides that gets cracked, or maybe even corroded or something. So it's just basically poor soldering on this here, because when you push on it, the LED strip comes on. When you're done soldering, put the board back in its place and add some clear silicone to the corners here. Make sure that it stays in place, but before that, let's make sure it works. Here we go. Fixed. So this is how you fix your LED lights on the BMW X3. Thank you for watching. If you think that this video was useful, please donate to the email address below.